Hey guys, alright, so we've been working on functions, function notation. Yesterday we did function operations, so subtracting, adding, multiplying. And today we're going to get into what we call composition of functions. Now, really the most difficult part about this is the way that the problems are written. Sometimes it can be sometimes it can be confusing. Um, so let's look at question number one. Um, in question number one, okay, it tells you that f of t is 3t plus 1 and g of t is 2t, and it asks you to find f of g of t. So the little open circle, it means of, okay? Um, so all that means is you're going to write f of t. Okay, so this equals 3. Now, the other way you might see this written would be f of g of t. Okay, and or actually, I guess I should say it'd be f of g of t, like this. So just like if I had f of 3, I replace the t with a 3. Well, now I'm going to replace the t with g of t. So the t, this here, gets substituted in for t. Okay, or you could think of it this way. This is going to be 3 times g of t plus 1. And we know g of t is 2t plus 1. So this is going to be 3 times 2 is 6t plus 1. And this is f of g of t. Okay? So what you're doing is it's just like when we had a number in the parentheses for f. That number replaced the variable. Now, instead of it being a number, though, it's another function. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's look at example number 2. I have g of x equals x squared plus 2x, and f of x equals 2x plus 4. So g of f of x means that I'm putting f into g. So it's going to be, this is going to be f of x squared plus 2 times f of x. Well, f of x is 2x plus 4. So this is 2x plus 4 squared plus 2 times 2x plus 4. So now we're going to have to do some work here. First of all, this is not just 2 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, remember, this is binomial expansion, so this is the same thing as 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 4. So you can use FOIL method, or you can use the area method, or the box method as short term for this. So this would be 2 by 2, and it's 2x plus 4, 2x plus 4. 2x and 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. This is 4 times 2x is 8x, and this is 4 times 4 is 16. So this is going to be 4x squared. 8x and 8x is plus 16x plus 16 plus, now I'm going to distribute this 2, so that's 2 times 2 is 4x, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now all that you have left to do is to combine your like terms. So g of f of x is 4x squared. 16x and 4x is 20x. 16 plus 8 is plus 24. And this is the answer to example number 2. Okay? Composition of functions is not all that difficult. It's just realizing that what you have to substitute in and where, and making sure that once you substitute it in, that in simplifying and using PEMDAS that you do that correctly. Make sure you guys write down any questions. This one can be a little bit more confusing. So make sure you write down any questions you have, and I will be taking questions at the beginning of class, and I will have your worksheet for you then. All right, I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.